Namaste, Javins. Myself, Javin, Dr. Barkha Khurana. Today in neurology and neurosurgery, we will be talking about spinal epidural abscess. Abscess is a pus collection in the spinal epidural space. This epidural abscess threatens the spinal cord or cauda equina by compressing the nerves and also by vascular compromise. The risk factors are diabetes mellitus, spinal trauma, surgery, intravenous drug abuse, alcoholism, renal insufficiency, immunosuppression, and pregnancy. If we talk about the pathophysiology, there is direct extension from vertebral osteomyelitis, Schwartz abscess, or contiguous soft tissue infection. The hematogenous spread is also causing 50% cases. Use of instruments during surgery or epidural anesthesia can also cause subdural abscess, and 30% contribute to the unknown causes. If we talk about the epidemiology, the incidence is 2.8 per 10,000 admissions with equal sex ratio. The patient presents with localized simple spinal pain, radicular pain and numbness, muscular weakness, sphincter dysfunction, paralysis, fever, pulmonary TB contact. Now, the presentation also depends on virulence of the organism. There will be clinical triad of fever, back pain and neurologic deficit and is not present in most patients. On physical examination, spinal tenderness can be seen. The examination is done for tone, power, reflexes, sensory and Babinski's sign also. In investigations, FBC to look for white cell count, ASR to look for any kind of elevation for inflammation or infection, CRP for acute infections, blood culture, Montu chest X-ray and sputum AFB are also done. CT scan may demonstrate fluid collection, MRI have greatest diagnostic process. Here you can see the epidural abscess in this MRI. The treatment comprises antibiotics and urgent decompressive manulectomy, which is need to be done especially with patients of neurological deficit. So this is all in this session. I hope you understood this session, and if you have any doubts, you can post a comment. This session is powered by Digital 2.0 version of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Thank you.